What's the meaning of Broca's area? Broca's area. Broca's area.
Broca's area. Broca's area. Broca's area is a region of the brain located in the frontal lobe that is responsible for language processing and production. Specifically, it plays a critical role in the ability to speak and comprehend language. Damage to Broca's area can result in a condition called Broca's aphasia, which is characterized by difficulty producing language despite having intact comprehension. People with this condition may struggle to form complete sentences or find the right words to express themselves. Overall, Broca's area is a crucial brain region for language function.